Hi dear students. So in the last class we have revised the meaning of noun, pronoun, antonym with the examples and synonyms with the example, prefix and also the suffix we have learned. So now we are going to move to the next topic, that is degrees of comparison. So what is this? In this degrees of comparison, we will be having 3 degrees, that is positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Got it? In this degrees of comparison, we will be having 3 degrees, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So coming to the positive degree, the example will be thick. So only one person. Comparative degree is comparing with two peoples, that we will be adding er with the word. Got it? So comparing with two people, two person. So two things. So like that we will be adding in the comparative degree er. So thick, thicker. So er we have added. Next comes to the superlative degree, the third one. So here we will be comparing with more than 3 peoples. Okay. So for that we will be adding est. So est after thick, est we have added. So you can see the example: large, larger, largest, busy, busier, busiest. And students, you have to listen to it. So when the words are ending with y, so instead of y, we need to add IER. ER you already know, you have comparing with two people, so you are adding here. So instead of y, you have to write I. So here also same, instead of y, you have to write I. So BUSIEST. So next is beautiful, more beautiful. So in the comparative degree, we will be adding more beautiful, and in the superlative degree, we will be adding most beautiful. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Got it? So in the degrees of comparison, we will be having 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So positive is one person, comparative is comparison between two peoples, two things. So superlative degree is more than 3. Got it? So this is the degrees of comparison. So next we will move on to the sentences. So what is sentences here, students? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Got it? So what is sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So in the sentence always begins with a capital letter. Which letter they will be beginning? A sentence always begins with a capital letter. Got it? So what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. So in this sentence we will be having 4 types. How many types? 4 types. So the kinds of sentences, the first one is declarative or assertive. So both the meanings are same. You can call it as declarative or assertive. So declarative or assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So these are the 4 sentences, types of sentences we have. So now we are going to learn one by one with these examples. So first one we will be understanding with the first one. Declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called as a declarative sentence. So a sentence that makes a statement, so which the sentence makes a statement is called a declarative sentence. So that is, the school begins at 9 a.m. It's a statement, the given. So the boys are playing cricket, right? So this two examples comes under declarative sentence. Next is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence, which the question is going to ask is called an interrogative sentence. So the examples, what are you eating? So I'm asking a question, right? So it's a question mark also, you can see. So it's a interrogative sentence. And do we need to go there? So even this is also I'm asking to some person. So even I have marked as question mark, right? So even these two sentences are interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences are that ask a question is called an interrogative sentence. So next is imperative sentence. So a sentence that expresses a command or a request is called an imperative sentence. So the sentence express or command or a request, when we are going to ask a request for somebody else, right? So that is called imperative sentence. So example is, please bring me a glass of water. So this sentence I am requesting to some person that please bring me one glass of water. So next is Ajit, shut the door. They're giving a command. So Ajit, shut the door. Here in the first sentence they are requesting. Here in the second sentence they are giving the command. So both comes under imperative sentence. So last one will be exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong or sudden feeling is called a exclamatory sentence. The strong or sudden feeling is called what? Exclamatory sentence. So examples will be, how beautiful this rose is. So how beautiful this rose is. Even the exclamatory mark they've used, right? So next, oh, it is too hot today. So even these two sentences will come under exclamatory sentence. So this is for today's class, students. Thank you, students.